Before we get started, there's a special discount link for PureLife Organics Flat Belly Tea Supplement in the description of this video. What is flat belly tea? Flat belly tea is extra-strength metabolism support that relies heavily on the power of superfoods, spices to reduce apparent belly fat. As suggested by the founders of PureLife Organics, each of the selected ingredients has been carefully studied only to find that they tend to belly fat and healthy immune and inflammation response and energy levels. How are these benefits possible? It turns out that the goal is to prevent the body from converting glucose into stored fat. Though one might see this tea as a solution fit for the ketogenic diet, it is definitely well beyond that. As for the reasons why, let's further investigate the chosen ingredients. What ingredients are inside flat belly tea? The flat belly tea formula consists of a flat belly botanical blend, 4 grams, and vitamins and minerals. As for the flat belly botanical blend, it houses the following plants and herbs. Turmeric. Turmeric is a type of spice that has been traditionally used to support one's overall wellness. To be more specific, it is vastly known for its anti-inflammatory properties, extending to boost energy levels, reduced risk of heart diseases, improved brain and cognitive function, and alleviated mental symptoms. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been included in this formula because it supposedly contains fat-melting properties. As suggested by existing studies, it may predominantly burn lipids, which is primary for fat burning and weight loss. Coconut milk powder. Coconut milk powder is commonly considered because it is an exceptional source of a type of fat called medium-chain triglycerides, MCT. The main benefit associated with MCTs is that they can be converted into ketones during the fat breakdown. Ginger extract. Ginger and turmeric are closely related ingredients, as they both carry anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Black pepper extract. Black pepper contains a thermogenic boosting compound called piperine. This respective ingredient can enhance metabolic performance while reducing and curbing fat buildup in the body with every serving. Acacia fiber prebiotic. As the name suggests, the acacia fiber is a soluble fiber extracted from the acacia tree. What makes this a unique ingredient is the role it serves, namely, one that maintains intestinal consistencies and is a prebiotic that keeps probiotics strong and healthy. Monk fruit. As a final touch, monk fruit has been used in flat belly tea. The main role it plays is as an all-natural sweetener. It contains 0 calories per serving yet is 150 to 200 times sweeter than regular sugar. What features does flat belly tea have? Flat belly tea is all natural, but it is deemed gluten, soy, dairy, and GMO-free. Vegans might find comfort in flat belly tea, as well as those who are participating in the ketogenic diet. Flat belly tea is allegedly certified USDA organic and has been manufactured in an FDA-approved facility that abides by GMP guidelines. What are the purported benefits of flat belly tea? When used daily, individuals can anticipate suppressed feelings of hunger, a boost in metabolism, energy levels and weight loss results, balanced blood sugar levels, and healthy immunity. Is flat belly tea safe? Due to its all-natural feature, flat belly tea is considered to be safe. As per PureLife Organics, no side effects have been reported. About PureLife Organics. PureLife Organics initially started as a weight loss journey for a husband-wife duo. On a mission to lose belly fat, the duo later realized that others could benefit from their secrets. One thing led to the next, and today, their journey has become a brand backed by a small team devoted to bringing customers high-quality organic, all-natural, vegan, GMO-free ingredients that are clinically tested and time-tested. Final verdict. Flat belly tea has been formulated to revamp the metabolism and fat-burning capacities so that issues, including unexplained weight gain and stubborn belly fat, can be rectified. The PureLife Organics team took the all-natural route for this supplement because of the numerous properties such ingredients contain and the appraisal that they've received from science and traditional medicines. In fact, much of this formula revolves around spices known to trigger the metabolism. Its uses are pretty straightforward, as the tea should be taken like any ordinary tea. However, the main selling point for flat belly tea is its refund policy, which ensures that individuals have the opportunity to try it risk-free. Regarding refunds, it is imperative to bear in mind that the 60-day money-back guarantee only applies to goods that have been directly purchased from the PureLife Organics website. PureLife Organics Flat Belly Tea Supplement order now, and improve your health. Just click on the link below.